Peace and blessings. Welcome back to another breakdown. In this video, I'm going to break down the 1 to 3 risk to reward on NASDAQ 100. So we always start off on the daily time frame. On the daily, we first want to spot our impulse. This is going to be our impulse. And remember, the rule to the impulse, it should all be one color. So these two candles are going to be our impulse, followed by a retracement. The retracement needs to be at least 2 daily candles, and they all need to be one color. So we have our impulse right here is all one color. We have our retracement right here is at least 2 daily candles, and they are also all one color. After we identify our setup on the daily, we then go to the weekly time frame. On the weekly time frame, we want to identify our support or resistance that could be of influence to our trade. So if we look, you can see price is still bullish. It had a push to the upside followed by a retracement, and it's now looking to continue the momentum back to the upside. We can also see we had a strong bullish candle after we had this very massive bearish candle. If I was to draw out my support, you can see that price came back to this level. So right here, it was previously resistance. Price broke through this level, has now retested this level, using it as support to continue the momentum back to the upside. On the daily time frame, we want to draw our fib in the opposite direction of the retracement. So from the end of the retracement to the beginning. This is because we are going to measure the distance of the new impulse before it has its retracement. So we expect price to come at least to the negative 27 before it has its retracement. On the 4 hour, we're going to wait for a break of this 61 level. As you can see, price has already broken the 61 level, but it is outside of my trading window. Right now, we're going to wait until we have the start of the new London session where I can place my order. So we're still waiting, and this will be the start of the new London session. You can see price is above the 61 level. So right now I can place my entry on the 61, stop loss on the 88 level, and take profit always goes on the negative 27 to create at least a 1 to 3 risk to reward. Right now I'm waiting until I get tapped into the trade. And as you can see, we have now entered this trade. As soon as price breaks this 38 level and closes above, we can now move our stop loss to our entry point to create a risk-free trade. Right now, we're just waiting until our take profit gets hit. And as you can see, our take profit has been smashed. So this was the breakdown on NAS 100 for 1 to 3 risk to reward. Don't forget, if you want to join the community or learn the strategy, click the link in the description. Peace.